Hello guys, so for today's video we'll be showing you on how to unblock the incognito mode on your school Chromebook. First off, go to the URL link and then type in 52.207.185.90, and then what you want to do is highlight that set of numbers that we just typed in and then copy that or cut, and then go to the settings option on your Chromebook, and then on the left tab, as you can see, kindly click on Network, and then under Network you can see Advanced, but below that you can see Network again. Click on that and then it will show you the name servers. Under name servers you can see custom name servers, and there are 4 different lines. On the first line, kindly delete the default numbers and then paste the ones that we just copied. And then what will happen is there will be a prompt on the right bottom side. Click Open New Tab. Once you open that, it will proceed to this image in the Google Chrome, and then click Browse Incognito. That's it, you're in.